If your Ram ProMaster's Apple CarPlay is acting up or won't connect, don't head to the dealership just yet. Statistically, over 80% of connection issues are solved by simply swapping out your charging cable for an official Apple cord. Let's walk through the troubleshooting steps to find out exactly where the communication is breaking down. First, clear any debris from the port and ensure Siri is enabled, as CarPlay requires it to function. Check your iPhone's screen time settings to make sure CarPlay hasn't been accidentally restricted. Often, forcing the phone to forget the car and repairing from scratch solves persistent syncing errors. Try a soft reset by holding both knobs first before resorting to a full factory data wipe. As you can see, a simple cable swap or system reset fixes the vast majority of ProMaster connection issues. To perform a soft reset, hold the volume and tune buttons simultaneously until the screen reboots. If the USB port feels loose or isn't providing power, you might be looking at a physical hardware failure. The fastest way to narrow this down is to plug in a different iPhone and see if the problem persists. With these steps, your ProMaster should be back in sync. Safe travels and keep those maps updated.